What do we mean by deep learning? Deep learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science, and it is also subcategory of machine learning. Hope you guys understand this point. Another point is deep learning provides system the ability to learn automatically and improve from themselves. Deep learning is a high level technique to teach machines, computer systems and hardware or many more. We are going to move on the fundamental of deep learning or full concept about deep learning. Firstly, you have to know about what is deep learning, intro about deep learning, applications of deep learning, needs of deep learning, advantage of deep learning, disadvantage of deep learning and limitations of deep learning. So these concepts are basically fundamental. Let's move the another point. Another point is neural network. Actually, deep learning fully depend upon the neural networks. Neural network inspired by human brain. That means human neurons. Firstly, you have to understand each and every concept related with neural network. Then you have to move on second topic, that is loss function. Multiple loss function available in deep learning. You have to learn about each and every concept clearly. These functions are help you to reducing your losses. Another is activation function. You have to know about full concept regarding activation function, what is it, what are the use it, and what are the application and where we have to use it. And each and every concept you have to know what are the types of activation, which types using where. So you know each and every concept regarding activation function. Then you have to move another concept. Another concept is weight initialization. Weight initialization, what do you mean by that, and where is use it, and what are the purpose of it. So you have to know about these things. Then move to other point. Other point is wishing exploding. What is wishing, what is exploding, and other is gradient problems. So what do you mean by gradient problems? You have to understand each and every concept. Almost you complete neural network if you understand what is neural network, what are the use of neural network, what are the concepts in neural network, which concepts are very important for us. Then we are going to move to another point. Point number 3. Point number 3 is architects. What are the architects of neural network? Firstly, we have to learn about feed forward neural network. These are fully belongs to neurons or neural network. Deep learning based on neural network. Without neural network, deep learning is nothing. So you have to know about neural network because deep learning inspired by human brain. A human brain inspired by neurons. Next key point is autoencoder. What do you mean by autoencoder? What are the use of autoencoder? Why we need autoencoder? So these are the concepts which you have to know. Another is convolutional neural network is a high level algorithm in deep learning. These algorithms help you to achieve your goals, create a model. Another key point is recurrent neural network. Recurrent neural network is also very important and high level algorithms in deep learning. Another key point is transformer. What do you mean by transformer? What are the use of transformer? What is encoder, what is decoder, what is attention. These concepts are very important when you are trying to use your algorithm on data sets. So these concepts help you when you apply algorithm on data sets. Another point is SEMS network. What is SEMS network? What are the use of SEMS network? Another is generative adversarial network. It is very popular algorithm in deep learning. So you have to know each and every concept about generative algorithms. So move to another key point. Evolving architects. After all you complete your architect section, that means after all you complete your algorithm part, if you learn almost algorithm in deep learning, if you learn all the top and popular algorithm in deep learning, then you have to move to another section. That means another topic. Then what are the another topic? Point number 4. Point number 4 means training part. What do you mean by training? Training part means whenever you complete your data set and trying to apply your algorithms on data set, that time you have to face some problems. That problem you have to optimize. So with the help of optimizer, you can easily optimize your data set. These optimizer are help you to optimize your data set, such as SGD, Montum, ADA, GRAD, ADA Delta, Lambda. So these are optimizer. It's help you optimize your data set, and you have to know about learning rate and learning rate schedules and how impact learning rate on your models. So these concepts very helpful for your training data set. Then move to another topic, batch normalization. What is batch normalization? What are the use? How to impact? How to do batch size effect? What is batch size effect? Regularization. What do you mean by regularization? In the regularization section, in the regularization concept, you have to learn about multiple concepts such as yearly stopping, dropout, parameter, plantage, data argumentation, and many more. So you have to learn about multiple concepts in regularization, and these concepts are very important when you trying to train your data set. So hope you guys you understand what do you mean by training part and what do you mean by regularization. And you have to also considering multitasking learning. Multitask learning. What do you mean by multitask learning? When you're trying to train your data set, then you have to consider about multitask learning and transfer learning, curriculum learning. So what are these concepts and how to implement on your data set and improve your output and improve your and increase your accuracy? These concepts are helpful for your data set. After all, you have to complete your training part, then you can apply directly on algorithms. Whenever you have to train your models, whenever you have to create your models, so that time we need particular tools. TensorFlow is a deep learning high level and popular library. It's help you to create your deep learning models and deep learning algorithms. In TensorFlow, multiple deep learning algorithms already exist. Next key point is Keras. What do you mean by Keras? Keras is also deep learning library. TensorFlow using in backend for data visualization. Theno is also deep learning library. There is multiple high-level complex mathematical operations library and functions available. Then you can directly call with them and execute your tasks. Another is PyTorch. PyTorch is also very popular and high-level deep learning library. It's created by Facebook. It have multiple algorithms already exist. So these tools are very important for you and further the deep learning journey. Hope you guys understand and hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. We are working on high tech such as data science, machine learning, deep learning and artificial intelligence or much more. If you want to learn about high tech, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for latest update and check out our playlist. You will be get your questions and our answers.